In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render a viewport animation in Blender effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your workflow, these tips will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you achieve the results you want with your animations. Let's dive right in. First, we need to configure the viewport settings. Think of the 3D viewport as your canvas where you can visualize exactly how your final animation will appear. Start by selecting your preferred shading mode. You can choose from wireframe, solid, material preview, or rendered view. You can find these options using the Z key menu or the shading icons located in the top right corner of the viewport. Choose the one that gives you the clearest representation of your work. Keep in mind that while Eevee and Workbench are officially supported for viewport render, if you wish to use cycles, it might not preview as smoothly here. Once your shading is set, turn your attention to the overlays. Clicking on the icon with two overlapping circles will bring you to the Overlays menu, where you can disable any elements you don't want to see, like axes, the grid, or animation rigs. This streamlines your working view, focusing only on the essentials. For those who like precise control over their camera angles, pressing numpad 0 will switch you to the camera view, giving you that critical first-person perspective from your active camera. However, if you choose not to, note that Blender can render from a virtual camera that mirrors your current view. Moving on, we now configure the output settings. This is where we decide how our animation is saved. Head to the Output Properties tab, recognizable by its printer-like icon. Here, set the resolution for your animation by determining the X and Y values to ensure your visuals are crisp and clear. Verify your frame range, make sure the start and end frames match what you want for your project. Next, choose the location where your files will be saved by clicking on the folder icon under Output. As for the file format, I recommend starting with an image sequence like PNG, due to its lossless quality and stability, especially useful if there's any interruption during rendering. Alternatively, choose FFmpeg video for direct video output, which lets you dive into the encoding submenu to set your preferred container and codec, such as MPEG-4 and H.264 respectively. Finally, it's time to render the viewport animation. Navigate to the top menu bar. Select View, then Viewport Render Animation. This kicks off the rendering process using your viewport settings to drive how it looks. The results will be saved to your specified folder. Should you need to stop for any reason, you can hit S to abort the render at any moment. And there you have it. Your viewport animation is now fully rendered. By following these steps methodically, you ensure a smooth rendering process. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!